Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the earlier question papers on the concept of memory management in the operating system. Let's read the question. In a computer system where best fit algorithm is used to allocate the jobs to the memory partitions. Assume all jobs are arrived at 0 units of time and uses the FCFS algorithm, first come first serve algorithm. The following situation is encountered. When will be the job 20k will complete? Means here if you are able to observe, they are using the best fit algorithm, and as we are trying to think about the jobs, we need to know about when all will be arrived, right? So which we have seen earlier concepts, right? Among those, one of the algorithm is first come first serve algorithm, right? They are arrived at the 0 units of time. So what are the various kind of partitions that are available? The partitions that we have given are 4 KB is one partition, 8 KB is one partition, 20 KB is one partition, and 2 KB is one partition, guys. Try to observe how we are going to check this, right? They are using here specifically best fit algorithm. Guys, when you are going to get all the jobs at the same time, in general they are going to come across with the process order, right? Process size order, process order, right? So first 2k will be comes into the picture at the arrival time of 0 units. So 2k time is best fit at which location? Is it here? Yes. Which will be arrived at 0 and will run it for how many units of time? 4 units of execution. Similarly, next you got 14k. What is the best fit? 14k will be executed here for how much time? 10 units of time. Next 3k. What is the best one among 4k and 8k? 3k is best. Will be executed for how many units of time? 2 units of time. 0 arrived and completed by 2, right? Which means that next one 6k will be best for 1 unit of time. 0 to 1 means arrived at 0 and completed by 1. That is the meaning of this one. This is the arrival time and this will be the completion time. So far we completed 4 jobs and we allocate those jobs according to the best fit algorithm. Now we need to satisfy the remaining request, right? So next 10k is there. After 1 unit of time 6k is going to be free, right? Now is there any process that is supposed to executed here? Try to think. 10k couldn't possible and 20k couldn't possible because it's not enough space to place 10k and 20k here. Is it possible to place 2k? Yes, 2k is possible to execute this one, right? So at what unit of time, right, this will be executed and come by 1 unit and will be completed by 6 units, which means that 7, right? So 2k is the process which will be come by 1 unit and will be done by 7 units of time. Good, this is also done. Now after some time, like after 2 units of time, generally 3k is also completed, right? It is free now. Is there any process that are ready to enter? Just check with this. These are the 2 things that are ready to enter, 10k and 20k. But is 10k or 20k is able to fit here? No, right? Now go with another thing. By the completion of 4 units, this 2k is also free. Now is it able to fit that 10k or 2k in this particular location? No. Now after 7 units of time, does any process, this will come out, does any process able to fit at the 8k memory location by 10k or 20k? No again. So the only solution that is able to fit either 10k or 20k is only at the 20k memory location. Now we have to think that when will be the 14k will comes out. The 14k will comes out, it will enter at the starting at 0 and come out at the 10 units of time. When it comes out the 10 units of time, which will give the chance? Will give the chance to 10k, because 10k is having the less process ID, because all are at the same time, right? So 14k will comes out and 10k will give the chance. So 10k will enter the 10 unit of time and will complete it by 1 unit and will come by 11 units. Now by the time of 11 units, 10k will comes out and 20k will be allocated. So which will be entering at 11 and will use 8 units of time, so it will come out at 19 units of time. 19 units of time, right? Because this is 11 plus 8, 19, right? So when will be the job? 20k will be completed at 19 units. So this is the answer for this question. Hope you understood this question clearly. Thank you.